Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to this video on global warming gases. In this video, we will be discussing the different types of gases that contribute to global warming, their sources, and their impact on the environment. The topic of global warming has become increasingly important in recent years, as the effects of climate change become more pronounced. The primary cause of global warming is the emission of greenhouse gases, which trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere and cause temperatures to rise. Let's dive into the different types of gases that are responsible for this phenomenon. Part 1. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the most well-known and abundant greenhouse gas. It is produced by the burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and gas. Carbon dioxide is also produced by deforestation and land use changes. These activities are responsible for around 76% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Carbon dioxide has a long lifespan in the atmosphere, which means that it can remain in the atmosphere for hundreds of years, contributing to long-term global warming. Part 2. Methane. Methane is the second most abundant greenhouse gas, after carbon dioxide. It is produced by natural sources such as wetlands and termites, as well as human activities such as livestock farming, coal mining, and natural gas production. Methane has a much shorter lifespan in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide, but it is around 28 times more potent as a greenhouse gas. This means that even small amounts of methane emissions can have a significant impact on global warming. Part 3. Nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is a less well-known greenhouse gas, but it is still a potent contributor to global warming. It is produced by natural sources such as soil bacteria and volcanic activity, as well as human activities such as agriculture, livestock farming, and the burning of fossil fuels. Nitrous oxide is around 265 times more potent than carbon dioxide as a greenhouse gas, and it can remain in the atmosphere for over a century. Part 4. Fluorinated gases. Fluorinated gases are a group of man-made gases that are used in a variety of applications, including refrigeration, air conditioning, and insulation. These gases are highly potent greenhouse gases, with some being over 10,000 times more potent than carbon dioxide. They can remain in the atmosphere for thousands of years, making them a significant contributor to long-term global warming. Fluorinated gases are regulated under the Montreal Protocol, an international treaty designed to protect the ozone layer. Part 5. Other greenhouse gases. In addition to the four main types of greenhouse gases, there are other gases that contribute to global warming, albeit to a lesser extent. These include ozone, water vapor, and black carbon. While these gases are not as potent as the main greenhouse gases, they still have an impact on global warming, and reducing their emissions can help mitigate the effects of climate change. Part 6. Sources of global warming gases. Now that we have covered the different types of greenhouse gases, let's take a closer look at the sources of these gases. The primary sources of greenhouse gases are related to human activities, such as the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, agriculture, and industrial processes. The use of fossil fuels for energy production is the largest source of greenhouse gas emissions, accounting for around 65% of global emissions. Deforestation, on the other hand, is responsible for around 15% of global emissions. Agriculture, particularly livestock farming, also contributes to greenhouse gas emissions through the production of methane and nitrous oxide. Part 7. Impacts of global warming gases. The impacts of global warming gases are far-reaching and affect various aspects of our environment, including the climate, oceans, and ecosystems. As the temperature of the planet continues to rise, we can expect to see more extreme weather events such as droughts, floods, and heat waves. The oceans are also affected, with rising temperatures leading to coral bleaching, ocean acidification, and sea level rise. Ecosystems are also affected, with changes in temperature and precipitation patterns affecting the distribution of plant and animal species. Part 8. Solutions to reduce global warming gases. There are several solutions to reduce global warming gases, including renewable energy, energy efficiency, carbon capture and storage, and lifestyle changes. Renewable energy, such as solar and wind power, is becoming increasingly cost-competitive with fossil fuels and can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions from the energy sector. Energy efficiency measures, such as building insulation and efficient appliances, can also help reduce energy demand and emissions. Carbon capture and storage technology can be used to capture and store carbon dioxide emissions from industrial processes. Lifestyle changes, such as reducing meat consumption and driving less, can also help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Part 9. Conclusion. In conclusion, global warming gases are a major contributor to climate change and have far-reaching impacts on our environment. Understanding the different types of greenhouse gases and their sources is an important step in addressing this issue. By reducing our emissions of these gases through a combination of policies and personal actions, we can help slow the effects of climate change and protect the planet for future generations. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.